Now my faith in humanity has been restored. Hey everybody, Rock here. For those of you who keep following me, I don't know why, but for those of you who keep following me, yesterday was a pretty rough day. I had my wallet stolen, had to get a whole bunch of cards replaced or put on hold and that sort of stuff. I was feeling kind of down, depressed, angry, like my personal bubble was violated. Somebody was in my personal bubble, stealing my stuff. And today I'm telling you that I'm happy, no matter what, even though yesterday, like I said yesterday, was not going to live in that state of depression, live in that state of feeling down, but also angry. Today's a new day, so seize the day, right? On top of that, I've got some exciting news. If I could just get out of this off-road track here, which is my road. My wallet was returned last night. What? I know. Some guy who lives on this street, Dakota Street, which I am turning left on right now, returned my wallet. He said he found it right in front of his driveway, and that he saw it was my name. He said he left me a Facebook message. Never got the message, but thank you anyways, mister. You have restored my faith in humanity. Now, I was talking to my wife about this yesterday, about the video I made yesterday, and she didn't like it. She didn't like it because she's like, you know, you're like negative and you're complaining. But what she didn't really catch was that there's humor in that. There's humor in my misery. It's funny. Even I find it funny. And on top of that, even though it is meant to be funny, there is some truth to all of that. There was some truth to me being angry yesterday. But there was also some truth in me wanting to chin up, to think that life isn't always hard. And I notice a lot of people online only post the nice stuff. You know, the perfectly groomed cake. Rarely see the birthday cake after it's been dropped on the floor and mashed. All you see is the perfect lives we all live. And it creates the sense of illusion. It's an illusion. There's no such thing as this perfect life. That's why when I post videos, I attempt to be as transparent as possible. If I'm feeling in a crappy mood, I'm gonna say it. I feel like I'm in a crappy mood. If I'm angry, I'm gonna say it. Would you rather me be honest or fake like everything is going well, do-da, do-da, I don't have any worries, do-da-do that day. That's not life. Life has ups and downs. It's normal. The real takeaway is whether or not, let's go this way. The real takeaway is whether or not you're going to stay in that state of mind. You need the lows in your life to appreciate the highs. You need hardship in your life to develop resilience. If you don't have those things and life has been served on a silver platter, first sign of trouble, you bail, you're gone. We are taught that today's world is a bit like a disposable world, you know? Buy a TV, it doesn't work, throw it out. No wonder we have a 50% divorce rate. It's because as soon as the shit hits the fan, people bounce, people bail. Well, I think it would be beneficial if we were a bit more transparent, a bit more honest. Like I told you in one of the videos before I made my Gillette commercial, one of these one of the reasons for these videos, this daily vlog, is so that I can allow myself to speak freely, whatever that is. I'm not gonna try and tailor my words so that I sound a different way.
You have to be more enthusiastic, Rock. If you want to pull in all these numbers, you have to be enthusiastic. Well, I don't want to be enthusiastic. So guess that's fine. It's fine if I'm angry sometimes. But I'm also joyful. I'm also happy. I make these videos for that reason. I want to speak my truth. But also I want to make you guys laugh. You know, life is not always hard, not always negative. And even when it's negative and hard, there's always a silver lining. There's always a funny thing to pull from that if you have an open mind and an open heart. I really hope that you guys enjoyed these videos. Even if they're short, they may get longer, they may get shorter. I don't know. I'm not really planning things out right now. Time-wise, I've got a strategy in mind, but the length of the videos is not something that really concerns me, as long as the content is good. Check me out on Twitter at life_Rocky, Instagram at one word ROCKPITRE. I used to tell you guys to check me on LinkedIn, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that anymore. If you want to check me out on LinkedIn, whatever, ROCKPITRE. Thank you so much. Have yourselves a great day. Peace out. I had the time of my life. Oh, I've never felt this way before. Never felt this way.
It's the truth.